Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to create Google Forms using AI. So first of all we open a browser and here we will write forms.google.com, and then when it open you have to sign in if you have not already. I have already signed in. We will create here blank form. Here we will describe what kind of form we will want to create. So I will write something, create a survey form for office faculty about management issues. You can write anything here and we will click create. It will take a little time, almost 5 seconds, and then here the form is created. We will scroll down and click create form. We have a form ready, and then if you want to change something you can click here and then describe what do you want to change. I will say add more questions. You can also remove or edit questions and create. It will take some time and it created some more questions, and we will create form and click insert. Here we have more questions. Then we will, if you want to edit you can edit here, and for publishing we can click here publish here, and we can click publish. After publishing, here is our link. We can copy it and send to anyone. For example, I have copied it and this is our form, and you can edit it here. If you want editing videos, please comment. I will make another video. Thank you. Kindly subscribe.